Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch, the 3GVA speaker, so the 3 speaker with Google Voice Assistant, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it, maybe because the Google Voice Assistant is not connecting or not responding, or it's not syncing, or if it's just not pairing with Bluetooth or not connecting to your phone. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. You might also want to do this if you're just setting this up on a new app, on a new phone, on a new setup, where you just want to delete everything off of it so that you can set it up like it's a brand new speaker. We can go ahead and do this really easily. With power to it, we're just going to come and find this reset button here, and we just need to press and hold this reset button for about 10 seconds. Basically, you're going to keep an eye on the lights on the top of the speaker, and when all 4 lights on the top of the speaker light up in orange, that means you can go ahead and release this button, and you'll want to go ahead and delete this speaker off of whatever app or phone or anything like that, so that you can go ahead and then just reconnect this speaker like it's brand new coming out of the box.